Hello all, welcome to the weekly market outlook by GEPL Capital. This is Omkar Patil, the Technical Research Associate from GEPL Capital. So let's start with the video. We'll have a look what the market is exactly doing as of now and what is the further path which the indexes can follow going ahead. So the first index we have is the benchmark index Nifty. So the chart which you are able to see it over here is the weekly chart of Nifty 50. We can see that post creating a fresh all-time high around the level of 19,990 mark, we witnessed some kind of correction which the index has been witnessing since past 3 weeks. So it is surely a sign that the index now is into some pressure. And in the previous trading week, if we'll have a look for the past 3 weeks, we are now witnessing the formation of lower highs. So yeah, again it is a sign that from the higher levels, some or the other way, the index is witnessing pressure from the higher levels. On the latest week, the index has actually traded in the prior trading week, which shows that the index has now formed an inside bar. The important thing to note over here is that it indicates us the decreasing volatility in the current trend can be witnessed. Coming to the daily charts, again on the daily charts we can see that the index is now into the formation of lower highs and lower lows clearly on the swing basis, and now the prices have finally reached at the mark where we got to see some kind of pause earlier as well. So we further also expect that some kind of pause also to take place at the current levels, and on the lower side the level to watch out on the Nifty index is the mark of 19,240. So going ahead, the averages which you are currently witnessing on the screen is the 20 days simple moving average. Earlier it was acting as a variable support. You can see there were multiple attempts by the index prior in the uptrend that the prices have respected pretty well to this moving averages and have shown a good bounce to the upside. Now this average is currently acting as a resistance. This confirms us that the index is again into some kind of pressure from the higher levels. Going ahead, the levels to watch out on the higher side is 19,800 mark, where we got to see some pressure which actually started from that level. Even over here, prior to this gap, the turnaround level was around the same mark, which was around the level of 19,800. So that becomes a key pivotal level for us to watch out on the higher side. If that is taken out, we may actually witness another up move further till the level of 19,990, followed by as high as the level of 20,500 mark. While on the lower side, if 19,240 is taken down, we may again expect some correction into the Nifty index as well, which can eventually drag the prices much more lower in the level of 18,887, which was the prior all-time high where we got to see some kind of pressure again coming into place. So this dip below the level of 19,240 post that the mark of 18,887 is quite a good chance for the investors to take advantage of this correction, and you can look to capitalize in the stocks which you are planning to hold for a long-term period. Coming to the charts of Bank Nifty, quickly reviewing the charts of Bank Nifty. Same thing over here, the index has been into pressure for past 3 weeks, and a clear formation of lower lows and lower highs can be witnessed. So this is the indication that even over here the pressure is taking its place. And if we'll have a look on the weekly charts as well, the index has closed below the prior week low very prudently. And talking and comparing it with the benchmark index Nifty, it is clearly observed that the bank Nifty is currently an underperformer against the Nifty. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts also we can see a good formation of head and shoulder pattern, which is again a bearish pattern, and we may expect some more correction from the current levels in the prices of bank nifty. Now we can see that the index is again approaching the consolidation zone which it had earlier created around this level, in this zone. So on the lower side, the crucial level to watch out is the mark of 43,300, and if that is taken down, we have a good space lower till the level of 41,896. So this is a good opportunity. If this dips comes, then there is again a good opportunity for the long term investors who can look to capitalize on this market dip for the period of long term you can consider. While on the higher side, again the mark of 45,100 is quite a crucial level, and if that is taken out on the higher side, we may expect a sharp move in the bank nifty as well, which could eventually lead to the failure of head and shoulder pattern, dragging the index higher to the level of 45,800, followed by to the latest high, which was around the mark of 46,369.50. Coming to few stock specific movements where we have actually witnessed a good momentum, and these stocks can also further continue its momentum. So the first stock we have is Bharat Forge. So despite the overall market correction and some kind of correction also we got to witness in the auto sector as well. So this is one of the stock which has shown a good up move. Despite the overall market correction, the stock has not got into the formation of lower lows and lower highs, strictly on the swing basis you can see over here. So this is a sign that the stock has managed to show its resilience and its outperformance. Going ahead, we can expect the prices to further move higher to the level of 1060 on the higher side, while on the lower side the 920 will act as a stop loss for this trade. The next stock which we have is Hindustan Copper. So even over here, this is the weekly chart, we can see a good breakout coming over here. Going ahead, the stock is now into a good momentum. If we'll have a look at the RSI is currently quoting at the levels of 80, which shows that the stock is at a strong momentum. And going ahead, even over here, we can expect a good up move till the level of 187 on the higher side, while on the lower levels the mark of 145 will act as a stop loss to this trade. So that's it from our side. I hope you like this video, and make sure that you are subscribed to GEPL's YouTube channel. Thank you.